Alright, welcome back guys to another BSG job video, man. As y'all can see, we in the back seat of the S4. Man, should you be that tired from getting out the car?
Oh, I'm here. You can see me.
You here?
Oh, okay.
I let my cameramans be here.
You shouldn't be that tired. I ain't gonna lie, gang. It was a little hop skipping. You know what I'm saying?
Well, anywho, if you watched the last video, you would have seen when I said, "Why don't do it yet? It's coming. It's in the mail." Right. So that being said, hold on, BRB. It was in the mail. Fine. Y'all was in the comments. Anywho, y'all be sucking, man. Fucking you. I'm talking to your ass, and not you. You cool. You back there in the back.
There's people driving. That's just They probably like, what are these niggas doing?
They're like, damn, are they fucking YouTubers? Yes.
Nah. Banana is crazy. Nigga whole spine said.
Somebody from Canadian Auto Performance that's been chewing boxes. Whoever y'all hired that's doing this, please fire them or somebody. What? Anywho. But yeah, shout out to, y'all said, Cat Performance, man, for the sponsorship on this. Here,
okay, make sure upside down is crazy. Who really fucked up they box? They, god damn, they just got this motherfucker here. They said, shit, we gonna get it to him.
But yeah, shout out Cat Performance for the sponsorship, man. This shit, first sponsorship, first parts come through. This is the V2 intake. I don't know if it's on the website yet. When I got this, it was still being made, still being put together. So I don't know if it's done. I don't know if it's ready for you guys yet, but if it is, go shop them on their website, and I'm gonna show y'all guys how to put it in. So
we just been looking at a box this whole time.
Naming that bitch.
Nigga gotta make sure he keep that bronze sponsorship.
Gotta get that sponsorship.
Got me fucked up. I want more part.
God. So as you guys see, man, we got stock intake here. It's a closed box. I'm gonna show y'all what the difference is when I open. You know, I'm gonna get y'all some sound clips of what it sound like with.
You gonna start it up now?
Regularly.
Nigga's losing his shit for a second. Hold on. I missed that. I'm over here trying to.
Battery just died. We not gonna get into that though. That doesn't matter.
Okay. Nah, that's fucking hilarious. Do that one more time. One more time.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So yeah, that's what it sounds like. Stock intake. Let's get that open. I ain't gonna know. Gorilla man.
I was trying to help. Let's actually get a knife. That shit started to get hard as fuck.
Get that good shot in there, man.
Yeah, I'm getting it right now.
See that?
Yeah, look at you pop that bitch open.
We got paper. I'm gonna explain this later.
Oiled. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. That bitch is very oiled. Yeah, it's just gonna be a what? You said it's just gonna be a few what? How many boats, man? How many boats you had told me when I pulled up? What you in here doing? What you in here doing, bro? What was that on the? Are you good? Nobody should be concerned.
First step that we gonna do here is we gonna remove this here, which is really as simple as removing that. There's a clip right here, and there's a clip on the under.
God did. Oh,
step 2 will be removing that. I see it. Y'all see it? Is it right there? God did. Next step, guys, we're gonna install the breather that Cap sent to us.
Where are you going with that arm? Where are you going with that arm, buddy? What are you doing over here?
Oh! Cap sends you this for your secondary air injection breather hose.
Is that what that is?
Yes, sirski. I figured it out.
What you doing, bro? I thought you had it, bro.
Now that we got the breather in, cameraman almost died.
No, I didn't, bro. No, I didn't, bro.
But now you take these off the bottom of the old filter. Stick them on here. You like that?
Hold on.
Come get that.
Hold on.
Come get that.
Let me get it.
Ah! Then, from there, you're gonna wiggle those in the area. Which way?
Huh? Fuck you. Fuck you, dude.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Nigga got a privacy screen, so we can't even see that bit.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Hey, I got it somewhere. No, just fuck you. Y'all niggas know what this is.
Next up, we're gonna install the factory tube itself. Squeeze that through here like so. And air circulation.
It's wider than
Is it what time now? Excuse me.
Yeah, stop that sentence. How you finna pop that onto that?
Oh!
Hell yeah, boy.
Ain't nobody else did. Alright.
Oh shit. Push into full gospel mode. G-O-D. What that mean? You just bust out a word on me. Is it velocity? Okay. Oh. No, that's crazy that you forgot that. Oh, you're gonna see those comments talking about some, yeah, nigga, you were missing this from the thing. Be careful when you take a pull now.
Y'all really gonna let me know in the comments though? Are y'all really W people like that?
Oh, we're dropping soon? EP? You're supposed to touch that with your hands, gang.
Probably not. But did you see my box?
Okay, that's right. Make down some probably not, but did you see one?
Yeah, performance. I need some downpipes. RS 5000.
That thing be done, huh?
What did it say?
Shit, that bitch sound good as
That bitch. No, y'all, what? I ain't even did nothing yet. What? That shit's crazy, bro. No. No way. Let me get up.
You've been just driving regular places.
Nigga, I'm going 40. That nigga got that. Like, what are you saying? What are you saying, bro? What the fuck? Yo, y'all can't tell me I don't have a baby cat. Let's go dynamic. I need an exhaust now. That's next.
Nigga like a little kid. You like a little kid. Nigga drive up the street. Nigga look at me.
Y'all ready? We hit this bitch whining. But that bitch said, hold on. Nigga, what? That bitch sounds like a fucking Hellcat. What?
This is the missile guidance system, bitch.
Let you draw. Oh shit. Don't drop it down like that, nigga. that thing is wow.